Lisa Briggs is taking your plant and garden questions today.
It's a great day. If you want to talk to Lisa, we have 3 lines open at 608-270-9933. Hi, Lisa.
Hello. How are you guys?
Good to see you. And let's go ahead and get right to the phones, and we will start with Joan in New Glarus. Hi, Joan. What's your question?
Hi. Thanks for taking my call.
You bet.
I had a peace lily, and it started to the leaves kind of were wilting and not doing so good. So I thought I should replant it. Well, I replanted it, and now it's even more droopy. Do I replant it again? Do I put it in maybe I got too big a pot?
Well, when you repot houseplants, you want to do it only maybe an inch around in the diameter. So if it's in a 6-inch pot, you can put it up to an 8-inch pot. That being said, it's not the best time of year to do it. You want to wait until maybe the end of February when the days are starting to get longer. When you repot, that new potting soil holds a lot of extra water, and so it might be being overwatered. So make sure you let it dry out between waterings. The other thing with peace lilies is, especially at this time of year, is they don't like drafts. So if you have it in a place where maybe it's by a door or maybe a window where the insulation isn't great, you might want to move it out of that spot because they really like a warmer spot and not anything that's a little bit chilly.
All right.
All right, that's a beautiful one, Lisa.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
It is a lovely one.
All right, let's go to Karen now in Roscoe, Illinois. Hi, Karen.
Hi. Thank you for taking my call.
You're welcome.
I have a question. I just got my Christmas cactus this past Christmas, and I'd like to know when I can transplant it, please.
So Christmas cactus, if they're newer, they will transplant if you're careful, although not yet. Like I said, wait until maybe the end of February or early March. If they're really big ones, they kind of resent it. So just sit tight with what you've got right now. Remember that they're a succulent, so they don't need a ton of water. Generally, for every diameter of the pot width, then that is like maybe a week between waterings. So this is in a 6-inch pot, so you probably wouldn't need to water this. Once a month might be too much.
Really?
So make sure that you don't overwater, and make sure it gets plenty of sun.
I have to tell you, it's still alive. I'm surprised.
Oh, good. Excellent.
That's good news.
All right, thank you for calling. Let's go to LaToya in Madison. Hi, LaToya. What's your question?
Hello. So I have 4 different type of houseplants, and I have gnats coming from them. So I did some research, and it said that you can use sand to suffocate it, but now it's killing off my plant. So what should I do?
The best thing for fungus gnats, and they are a little creature that, oh, Scott's going to bring me some stuff. They are a little creature that lives in the soil and is eating the decaying organic matter, not really hurting your plants. The best thing to use is this. This is called mosquito bits. It's non-toxic, so you can have it in your house. You don't have to worry about pets. You sprinkle a little bit of this on the soil, and as you water it in, it takes the insecticide into the soil and kills the gnats as they're feeding, and also will kill the larvae that are in there and the eggs. So you might need to do it a couple of times, maybe every week or 10 days, maybe 2 or 3 times to get rid of the problem. But it's totally safe, and you can get this at any garden center.
All right, mosquito bits.
All right.
Strange name, but all right, let's go to Laura.
Well, they're good for mosquitoes.
Let's go to Laura in Middleton. Hi, Laura. What's your question?
Hi there. I received a wandering Jew plant a few months ago that was lush, tendrils hanging off of it, just beautiful purple and green leaves everywhere. Now, the only window I have for it is a north-facing window, and it's dying. All the tendrils are drying out. Sometimes I will spray the tendrils to try to, what do I do?
It might need a little more sun.
Size. Okay.
Yeah, it might need a little bit more sun. And like I said, in the wintertime, houseplants go not dormant exactly, but they are using a whole lot less water. So in the wintertime, you really need to make sure that you're not overwatering. So let the surface dry out between waterings, but especially the ones that have the colored foliage, they're going to need more sun than the plain green ones or those old-fashioned just purple ones.
Might have to get a grow light or something for it if it just has a north window.
You might have to do. And there are grow lights that you, like LED grow lights that you can put into like a regular lamp and just sort of aim it at there and see if that'll help.
Okay, thanks for the calls,
All right,
everybody.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you, Lisa, for your time.
Thank you, guys.
Stay warm.